Welcome to Inside the Computer. This video is designed for Class 4 students. Let's explore the main parts and functions of a computer together. The CPU box is the main part of the computer. It contains important components such as the motherboard, processor, memory, and storage devices. External devices like the keyboard and mouse connect to the CPU box using ports. The internal parts of the CPU box are motherboard, processor, power supply, fan, port, memory, and hard disk. The motherboard is the main circuit board of the computer. It connects all the parts together and has sockets and slots to attach components like the CPU, RAM, and different cards. The processor is known as the brain of the computer. It takes input, processes it, and gives output. Its speed is measured in gigahertz or gigahertz. The higher the speed, the faster the computer works. The power supply unit converts high-voltage electricity into low voltage, supplying power to all parts inside the CPU. It is also called SMPs. The fan keeps the computer cool and prevents parts from overheating. It pulls cool air in and pushes hot air out. Ports are used to connect external devices. Examples include USB port, VGA port, audio port, and Ethernet port. Ports help transfer data between devices. USB is used for pen drives, audio ports for speakers or microphones, VGA for connecting monitors, PS/2 for keyboards and mice, and Ethernet for networks. Main memory stores data temporarily and helps the CPU work quickly. There are two types of main memory: RAM and ROM. RAM stores data while the computer is working. It is temporary memory, meaning the data is lost when the computer is switched off. RAM is called volatile memory. ROM stores important instructions and helps to start the computer. Data is not lost when the power is off, so ROM is called non-volatile memory. There are three types of ROM: PROM, EPROM, and EPROM. PROM, or programmable read-only memory, stores programs only once and cannot be erased. EPROM, or erasable programmable read-only memory, allows data to be erased and stored multiple times using ultraviolet rays. EPROM, or electrically programmable read-only memory, allows erasing and storing data multiple times using electric signals. Secondary memory stores data permanently. Examples are hard disk, CD or DVD, and pen drive. It is used to store files, games, and software. The hard disk is fixed inside the CPU. It stores a large amount of data, and all files and programs are saved here. A pen drive is a small, portable device used to transfer data between computers. It connects to the computer using a USB port. CD and DVD are optical storage devices. They are used to store software, movies, and games. Data is read from them using a laser. CD/DVDs store software applications, computer games, and movies. Here's a super quick revision. CPU is the brain, motherboard is the main board, RAM is temporary memory, ROM is permanent memory, hard disk is main storage, and pen drive is portable storage. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.